Tired of constant login codes? Here's how to disable Walmart's two-step login setup. You're going to log into Walmart Seller Center. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go in the top right-hand corner on your desktop, click that little settings icon. Once you're here, scroll down to two-step verification, and then you're simply going to turn it off, right? So it's not that difficult. If you want to have it on, you can turn it back on. Not only when it's off, it turns off all layers of security, not only for you, but for all of your users and user permissions. So keep that in mind, that maybe this isn't the best thing for your account if you want to keep it secure. But if it's already secure enough, that's fine. You can turn it off, especially if it's super annoying. Now, there's also a guide that Walmart shows you, right, for turning it off. You can see right here, it turns it off, and you actually have to click the button, turn off. But it's not that difficult to turn off two-step verification on your computer. Now, there is some frequently answered questions that we want to go through very quick. Does disabling two-step verification happen immediately? It says yes. I don't believe it. Sometimes it might take 24 hours, but they're saying it happens immediately. I'm not seeing the option to turn off two-step verification. What should I do? Only admin users have the ability to disable two-step verification in Seller Center. If you do not have admin access, contact someone with an admin role in your team who can edit users and assign roles. I want to re-enable two-step verification, but can't remember how. Where do I find the instructions? It's literally the same way. You just turn it on. So there's the instructions, right? And then they have helpful resources, right? But that's just how you turn it on and off. And sometimes Walmart, they like skip steps. So they don't show you where to go to do it. So at least you know where to go and how to turn it off yourself. But that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, call Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on expanding your Walmart business while we're doing the day-to-day operations, helping you save time, money, and increasing your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.